2025 Kia EV9, 10 highlights about this 3-row electric SUV. The Kia EV9, packed with numerous innovative features at a truly competitive price, emerges as the ultimate choice for families in the realm of EVs. The auto market doesn't have a whole lot of mass-market full-size electric SUVs to woo consumers ready to transition to electric, but needs something big enough for the whole family. By introducing the EV9, an electric SUV among the few 3-row EVs on the market, and with a starting price below $55,000, Kia aims to attract new customers, especially big or growing families seeking to reduce environmental impact. Kia has already gained plenty of customers with its full-sized Telluride SUV. Now, they are looking to land even more customers with this large all-electric SUV, which is actually more affordable than other similarly sized EVs on the market today, such as the Mercedes EQS SUV and the Rivian R1S. Upon its release, the EV9 was introduced in 5 different trims: light and light long range, both rear-wheel drive, followed by 3 all-wheel drive models, Wind, Land, and GT Line. Loaded with numerous features and bringing forth a thoroughly complete and efficient performance, Kia aims to dominate the electric SUV market with these models. 1. The Kia EV9 will be available with single or dual motor options. It will make up to 379 horses. The EV9 lineup begins with the rear-wheel drive light trim, equipped with a single rear-mounted electric motor that produces 215 horsepower. The light long-range version, also rear-drive, comes with a larger battery that extends the range, yet its peak power slightly decreases to 201 horses. On the other hand, all-wheel drive models such as the Wind, Land, and GT Line have a dual-motor arrangement that allows for a combined 379 horsepower, and an available boost mode increases the peak torque output and provides quicker acceleration. Incredible performance for a family-oriented SUV. According to Kia, the e-AWD EV9 can reach 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. For the sake of comparison, the gas-powered Telluride lags behind by an additional 2 seconds to reach the 60 miles per hour mark. Nevertheless, given its nature as a family SUV, these types of vehicles don't necessarily demand rapid acceleration, so high-speed performance isn't the primary focus. 2. Up to 304 miles of range. The entry-level light model comes with a 76.1 kWh battery pack that's capable of providing an EPA-estimated 230 miles of driving range. Should you require something with a broader range to handle longer journeys, both the light long-range model and the e-AWD versions feature a larger 99.8 kWh pack. While the light long-range model achieves an EPA-rated driving range of up to 304 miles per charge, the Wind e-AWD and Land e-AWD models, in contrast, are rated for 280 miles on a single charge. Finally, opting for the top-spec GT Line trim decreases the projected range to 270 miles per charge. However, being a more performance-focused model, it brings additional benefits and serves other purposes. Displays a rather remarkable level of energy efficiency. When it comes to efficiency, EPA estimates that the EV9 will be able to achieve 80 to 89 mpge, depending on the used drivetrain. Diving more specifically into each trim, the EV9 Lite stands out as the most efficient, delivering 89 mpge with the 99.8 kWh battery pack and rear-wheel drive. As expected, the performance-oriented GT Line with all-wheel drive receives the lowest mpge rating, which is set at 80. 3. A futuristic, bold exterior design. The new Kia EV9 SUV embraces an audacious exterior design. Why do we say this? Well, it showcases a quite distinctive profile defined by robust, boxy lines and a polygonal design theme, which is complemented by intricate front and rear lighting. This imparts a futuristic appearance, standing out significantly from the commonly observed car designs on the road. Its innovative, eye-catching design renders it truly unique and original. To complement this, the side profile boasts prominent fenders and seamlessly integrated door handles. It's also notable how short the overhangs are, leaving as much space as possible for the passenger compartment. The wheels, too, are worthy of mention. To top it off, distinctive 21-inch wheels featuring off-center Kia logos are wrapped in Michelin tires, giving the car quite a unique appearance. According to Kia's information, wheel options span from 19-inch sizes to larger 21-inch sizes. Kia ev9's exterior dimensions. Length 197.4 inches. Width 77.9 inches. Height 70.1 inches. Wheelbase 122.0 inches. Ground clearance 7.0 inches. 4. No dearth of creature comforts inside the cabin. The entry-level model, the EV9 Lite RWD, comes pretty well equipped with diverse standard features, some of which are full Syntex leather-trimmed upholstery, 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat with heating and ventilation, wide panoramic display consisting of dual 12.3-inch screens and a 5.0-inch HVAC screen powered by Kia's next-generation connected car navigation cockpit, CCNC, infotainment system, an 8-speaker stereo, tri-zone automatic climate control, digital and proximity keyless entry, improves convenience by enabling door opening by smartphones and smartwatches. Additional features are accessible for an extra fee. As you might well know, you can pay extra for added features. Among the available options offered by Kia, you can get ambient interior lighting, a 14-speaker audio system, and a dual-pane sunroof. Furthermore, when moving up to the higher trims, additional luxuries become available, including a memory driver's seat with relaxation mode and power leg rest, a heated steering wheel, and exclusive interior designs. 5. It comes with impressive tech features. EV9 standard features include a 12.3-inch touchscreen system, as well as a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, through which you will be able to access navigation services, an in-car intercom, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Additionally, the vehicle offers wireless device charging, Bluetooth, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. Notably, compared to other current Kia models, the EV9 forgoes physical knobs, retaining just a few essential HVAC controls and a volume knob that comes along with touch-sensitive controls embedded in the dashboard to facilitate navigation through different menus. 6. Up to 81.7 cubic feet of cargo space. The Kia EV9 has a healthy amount of cargo space for an electric SUV. There's 20.2 cubic feet of room behind the third row, 43.5 cubic feet with these seats folded flat, and 81.7 cubic feet with both the second and third rows folded. As a way to provide a reference, it has nearly as much as the similarly long Telluride, which boasts 21 cubic feet of volume behind the third row. Additionally, there's also a front trunk that provides an extra 3.2 cubic feet of space in rear-wheel drive models, yet this area shrinks to 1.8 cubic feet in all-wheel drive models. Kia ev9's cargo capacity. Behind the first row, 81.7 cubic feet. Behind the second row, 43.5 cubic feet. Behind the third row, 20.0 cubic feet. Front trunk capacity, 3.2 cubic feet, RWD, 1.8 cubic feet, AWD. Ample space for the entire family. Thanks to its 3 usable rows of seating, it can be ordered in either 6 or 7 passenger versions, depending on the trim and configuration, resulting in a very practical SUV that easily accommodates large families. Yes, even the mother-in-law fits in. Unlike many other 3-row vehicles, there's greater versatility in terms of how the seats can be arranged, as occupants in both the first 2 rows can recline their seats simultaneously. Also, in the very back, the third row can accommodate adults, but it may require some concessions from those in the second row in order to offer comfortable legroom. 7. 10 to 80% charge in 24 minutes. The ev9's 11 kW onboard charger is about average among competitors. However, every EV9 uses Kia's 800-volt electrical architecture, enabling DC fast chargers to replenish their battery quickly. Regardless of the powertrain, all Kia EV9 trim levels feature a standard 230 kW maximum DC fast charging capability, which is reported to add 100 miles of driving range in just 13 minutes, with an average charging speed of 139 kilowatts. This translates to charging the battery from 10% to 80% in approximately 24 minutes, a charging rate that is among the highest averages in any EV within this segment. Comparatively, the EV6 has the same maximum charging speed but takes a quicker 18 minutes to charge its battery from 10% to 80%, which is unsurprising considering that the EV9 has a larger battery. 8. The Kia EV9 starts at $54,900. The starting price for the EV9 is placed at $54,900, corresponding to the light RWD, the base model. To opt for a larger battery, and consequently, a greater range, you can pay $59,200 to access the light long-range RWD version. From here, we move on to the e-AWD models, the first one being the Wind, priced at $63,900, which comes with more horsepower and an additional seating space. Next, we have the Land at $69,900, and finally the GT line at $73,900. These latter two trims come with significant interior design improvements and additional features, with the GT line also offering enhanced performance. Kia EV9's prices. Starting price. Light RWD. $54,900. Light long range RWD. $59,200. Wind AWD. $63,900. Land AWD. $69,900. GT line. $73,900. 9. Several safety features offered as standard. The EV9 comes with several standard driver assistance features, including systems such as autonomous emergency braking. It's a system that continuously monitors the road ahead and will autonomously apply the brakes if it detects any obstacle and doesn't receive input from the driver. Parking distance warning forward and reverse. It's designed to facilitate parking maneuvers in a variety of situations. Rear cross traffic collision avoidance assist. It activates when the gear is shifted to reverse and the approaching vehicle is within 82 feet from the blind spot area of your vehicle. Kia also provides a hands-free driving mode bundled with a more advanced version of adaptive cruise control. Through the press of a button and the use of sensors, this allows you to drive without using your feet or hands for a specified period, excellent for long, tiring journeys. However, keep in mind that this feature is exclusive to the EV9 GT line. Some other advanced driver assistance features include Highway Driving Pilot, Blind Spot Monitoring, Rear Cross Traffic Collision Avoidance Assist. 10. The EV9 stands its ground against the competition.
Stack of gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.